Hi there! In this video, I will be guiding you on how to use Uniswap with a Ledger device. So please listen carefully to each step that I will be explaining because I will describe everything clearly so you can follow along. Before starting, make sure that your Ledger device is set up, updated, and has Ethereum installed. And this helps you trade securely using your hardware wallet. So first, connect your Ledger device to your computer and then you will open your Ledger Live and then go ahead and click the Ethereum app. And the next, after you've connected your Ledger device to your computer, what you will have to do is open app.uniswap.org, and then you will go ahead and click Connect Wallet, which is right here. And then what you will have to do is connect the wallet, and then you will see Ledger, and then you will approve the connection on your device, and then you will select the Ethereum account from Ledger, and then you will click connect. And finally, you will use Uniswap as usual. You will choose tokens, enter amounts, and approve swaps directly on your ledger, and then you will double check wallet addresses before confirming. And that's basically just it. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I really hope it was helpful for you. And if it was, please make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you and have a good day.